Greetings, fellow mathematicians. We're going to take a look at another simple substitution problem. This one, we don't really have a lot of choices for what we might try for our substitution, but notice in the denominator, we have x squared plus 1 inside the square root. So tip 2, try u as an inner function. So let's try u as the inside, x squared plus 1. Calculate your differential. Du equals now the derivative of x squared plus 1. That's 2x. And we multiply that by the differential dx. Notice in your integral, you have a factor of x, which is good. But we're missing a factor of 2. So definitely expect, very common, you might have to manipulate your substitution. Here, we're going to manipulate the differential. We're going to divide the 2 over and write this as 1/2 du equals x dx. All right, now we have all the pieces here to go ahead and convert our complicated integral from x to a simpler integral in terms of u. All right, x dx, that's going to convert to 1/2 du, so we'll get a factor of 1/2. And our substitution, u as x squared plus 1, we're going to get the denominator there to convert to 1 over the square root of u. All right, and again, we can write this as something that has a basic antiderivative if we recognize square root of u as u to the 1/2 power, a square root in the denominator, we can write that as u to the negative 1/2 power. So let's keep the factor of 1/2 there. 1 over square root of u, we'll write that as u to the negative 1/2 power. And here we can just apply our basic power rule for finding antiderivatives. The factor of 1/2 will just stay there. It's a constant multiple. And just be careful, we're taking negative 1/2 and adding 1 to that. So remember, you take your power, you add 1, and then divide by the new power to use the power rule for antiderivatives. So we're going to get u to the negative 1/2 plus 1, that's positive 1/2. And now we divide by the new power, we divide by 1/2. Some of you might be comfortable when you divide by 1/2, same thing as multiplying by 2, but some of you might not see that, especially if some of your previous courses were a while ago. So you can rewrite 1 divided by 1/2 as multiplication by 2. And the 2 and the 1/2 cancel, and we just back substitute our u as what we decided it was x squared plus 1. So if you plug this all in, 2 and 1/2 cancel. The 1/2 power, we can recognize that as a square root. And we can write our answer, the antiderivative here, as the square root of u, where u is x squared plus 1. And that is it for this problem. Very standard problem in the sense, once you choose a substitution, you get something that you can integrate with the basic power rule for antiderivatives. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. Like and subscribe.